the moment he was sworn into office, President Donald Trump hasn't wasted a minute rolling out his agenda, but his efforts have not been without some speed bumps. One order facing major legal challenges, Trump's repeal of birthright citizenship for the children of unauthorized immigrants, a right enshrined in the 14th Amendment to all born on U.S. soil. The executive order has been temporarily blocked by a judge who called it blatantly unconstitutional. Andrew Chikaski, a former federal prosecutor, believes this issue will go all the way to the highest court in the nation.
It's something that the Supreme Court has not specifically spoken on in light of the idea that the parents of a child born on U.S. soil are illegal immigrants.
Another move facing legal backlash, the administration's federal grant freeze. The order, which sparked chaos and confusion about programs like Medicaid and Head Start, resulted in 2 lawsuits and was temporarily blocked just moments before it was set to go into effect. And then there's Trump's ban on transgender service members, a move accomplished during his first term but was reversed by former President Joe Biden. His most recent attempt at this ban has resulted in a lawsuit filed by 6 transgender service members. Chikaski says these challenges are something the Trump administration prepared for.
It's very common for presidents, when they come into office, to issue many new executive orders that are consistent with their viewpoints. And so you naturally get pushback on that. And one of the ways to fight against those actions of the president is to file lawsuits. And then the judiciary gets to make those decisions.
The fate of these actions ultimately not in Trump's hands, but also not expected to end without a fight.
He is going to vigorously fight and defend the positions that he has on these things, unquestionably.
Katia Tubman, Scripps News, New York.